Hey everyone, welcome back. Last time we talked about the origins of the CIA's mind control programs. Today, we're diving deeper into the unsettling experiments and the very real human cost. These weren't just harmless studies conducted in some sterile lab. We're talking about experiments that took place in prisons, psychiatric hospitals, and even universities, where unsuspecting people were dosed with powerful drugs without their knowledge or consent. The arsenal of substances and methods was terrifyingly broad. They used LSD, barbiturates, mescaline, you name it, they likely tried it. But it wasn't just drugs. They also employed brutal techniques like high-voltage, electroshock therapy, and deep hypnosis, all in an attempt to break down and rebuild the human mind. The subjects were a tragically diverse group. They included soldiers, ordinary civilians who had checked into hospitals for minor issues, and some of the most vulnerable people in society, mental patients. These individuals were subjected to horrifying ordeals, experiencing severe paranoia, terrifying hallucinations, and complete breakdowns of their identity. The psychological damage for many was profound and permanent. The medical ethics of that era weren't just bent, they were completely shattered. Then, in 1973, a strange thing happened. The CIA director at the time, Richard Helms, ordered that most of the records related to these programs be destroyed. The official reason given was concerns about overclassification and the files being misinterpreted. But many people believe this was a deliberate, calculated cover-up to hide the shocking extent of these illegal and unethical activities. Was the government trying to erase its own dark history? It certainly looks that way. The destruction of these files means we may never know the full story, the full number of victims, or the full horror of what happened behind those closed doors. It's a chilling reminder of how power can be abused when left unchecked and in the shadows. We'll continue to unravel this story in the next part. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.